Dropship.io and Shopify. Which is better? If you're trying to decide between Dropship.io and Shopify for your dropshipping business, let's break it down. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that lets you build an online store, manage inventory, process payments, and integrate with apps to streamline your business. It's built for anyone looking to sell online, whether through dropshipping, print on demand, or their own products. On the other hand, Dropship.io is a product research tool designed specifically for dropshippers. It helps you find trending products, analyze competitors, and track winning items to maximize profits. While Shopify focuses on store management, Dropship.io helps you find products to sell. If you need an all-in-one platform to build and manage your store, Shopify is the better option. If you're struggling to find profitable products and want an edge over competitors, Dropship.io is what you need. Ideally, both should be used together. Dropship.io for research, Shopify for selling. Shopify offers a 3-day free trial, while Dropship.io has a free plan with limited features. Shopify's pricing starts at $39 a month, while Dropship.io starts at $29 a month. If you're a beginner looking for a full store setup, Shopify is essential. If you're already running a Shopify store and need better product insights, Dropship.io will give you an advantage. So which is better? It depends on your needs. Shopify to sell, Dropship.io to research. Use them together for the best results.